This is Unit 7, Video 4, Solution Stoichiometry. So when we've been doing dilutions before, or calculating the number of moles, we've been sticking to the same solute. Okay, well, we know that if we switch compounds in chemistry at any time, we always have to use stoichiometry to do that. And to switch compounds, we got to get to the mole ratio. So if we look at the problem up here on the board, we've got a reaction with silver nitrate and calcium chloride, and we're forming silver chloride and calcium nitrate. So what we want to know is, what is the theoretical yield of silver chloride? So we want to know the mass of silver chloride produced if we have 20 milliliters of a 3 molar calcium chloride solution. Okay, so notice this is calcium chloride, this is silver chloride. Okay, they're not the same compounds, so we can't just use the dilution M1V1 equals M2V2 to calculate our unknown, because they're not the same. So what we need to do here is, in stoichiometry, we always first need to get into moles. Well, we know that molarity times volume will give me the number of moles. Okay, so this is for calcium chloride, so this is going to be the moles of calcium chloride. So let's take our volume here, which is 20 milliliters. Let's convert it to liters, so 0.020 liters. And let's multiply it by its molarity, which is 3 molar. Okay, if we punch that into the calculator, we'll get 0.0600 moles of calcium chloride. Okay? Now, if I'm in moles, this is going to allow me to switch into the compound I want. So now we can start to use stoichiometry. So moles of calcium chloride, let's go right into dimensional analysis. Moles of CaCl2 is going to go on the bottom. Okay, I can switch into moles of what I want, which I want the mass of silver chloride, but I have to first get into moles. So we're going to have moles of silver chloride. Okay, we go to the balanced chemical equation. The relationship here is 2 to 1. Okay, now my moles of calcium chloride is done. I'm left with moles of silver chloride, but I want mass. So my last step is to convert it to mass of silver chloride. So moles of silver chloride is going to go on the bottom. So 1 mole, and we find the molar mass off of the periodic table, which is going to be 142.87. Now moles of silver chloride is canceled, and we're left with the theoretical yield of grams of silver chloride. So if we punch all this into our calculator, we will get that the mass of silver chloride is 17.1 grams.